How to enable Speak Emergency Alert messages on Google Pixel phone. First, go to Settings, click on Settings, then click on Notifications. Scroll down, you will see Wireless Emergency Alerts. Click on it. And then scroll all the way down, you'll see Emergency Alert Messages. Just turn it on. Now every time you get an emergency alert, your Pixel phone will read the message out loud so that you never miss an important alert. That's it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.